His Royal Majesty, the Ya-Na
Abdulai II,
Board of Governors, the Headmaster and staff, the PTA, the Royals, both past and present students of Yendi Senior High School, yes, invite the general public to the 50th anniversary celebration of Yendi Senior High School. With the theme, Quality Secondary Education for National Development, the role of Yendi Senior High School. In attendance will be the Vice President of the Republic of Ghana, Alhaji Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, as a special guest of honor. The Chairman of the Grand Derby will be the Vice Chancellor of Tamale Technical University, Professor Abbas Brahma, and the guest speaker, former Pro-Vice Chancellor of University for Development Studies, Professor Saidu Al-Hassan. The Grand Derby will be 28th May 2022. Be there.